Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study law easily. We'll start by understanding the fundamental legal concepts, then move into developing smart study habits that truly stick. Next, we'll explore various resources to boost your learning. Finally, we'll cover how to effectively apply your knowledge through practice, ensuring you build a strong foundation for success. To truly grasp legal concepts, begin by dissecting complex terms into manageable pieces. Always ask why a particular rule exists, as understanding its purpose aids memory. Develop comprehensive outlines and concise summaries for each topic. These become invaluable review tools. Furthermore, pinpoint and analyze landmark cases that exemplify the legal principles you are studying. Employ smart study methods to maximize your learning. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing definitions and specific legal rules. Consider forming a study group to discuss challenging topics and gain different perspectives. Actively practice answering essay questions and working through hypothetical scenarios. Most importantly, review your material consistently and regularly to solidify your understanding over time. Applying your knowledge is crucial for mastery. Dedicate time to working through practice problems and past examination questions. Learn to meticulously analyze fact patterns to accurately identify all relevant legal issues. Practice formulating clear, concise, and well-supported legal arguments. Finally, always seek constructive feedback on your written analysis to refine your skills and improve your understanding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.